Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You think that these new blushes are boring? Well, think again. Gucci has launched 2 new limited edition of blushes, but let me explain to you why these are actually not boring. I can hear a lot of people already, and these have literally launched just a few days ago. I can hear people say that they are boring, pointless, but actually it's the other way around. It's the total opposite. So these are super light, super airy, but they have wax into them, and they have shea butter, and they have super hydrating oil, rose hip oil if I'm not mistaken, and they have hyaluronic acid. So these are lightweight, buildable like there's no tomorrow, and hydrating. I picked up the 2 shades they have. It is Silky Rose and Bright Coral, and they are made for your cheeks and eyes. I mean, what else do you want? They are so easy to use that you can reapply on the go. They're kind of the foolproof product that you can add to your makeup kit. When I picked them up and received them, I wondered if I had made a mistake, if they were actually worth the whooping £42 per product. But I gotta remember that they are equally good for your eyes or as a blush. And you can create amazing looks with these. Obviously, I'm gonna put it out there, they are not the most inclusive blushes. Even though they are super buildable, if you have a dark skin, it's just not gonna work for you. Let's just all be honest here. They are a little bit more tailored for a very light, pale, fair to medium skin tone. The texture, it is so pleasant. I have been playing with them, and I love how the finish is matte luminous, but the luminosity into it is incredible. I think it's due to some of the oils and the wax into them, and it doesn't feel greasy or waxy on the skin. It literally feels like it is just airy. It's like you're applying just a small layer of blush, but it's giving you that diffuse sheer look with just one layer. And you can add as many layers as you want to create a super bold look. So let's swatch them. Let's start with the Bright Coral. So what I like about this coral, it's not actually orange. It's a very beautiful, flattering shade. And look at how luminous it is. It looks like silk, but it's completely matte. And I'm gonna go with just one layer to show you. This is one layer. Let's add a second to see how we can build it. So I'm gonna add some more, same shade. And now you're added much more pigment. So completely matte, you don't have any glitters or sparkle into it, but you do have that beautiful luminosity. What I like about this, that means it's not gonna make your face look flat when you apply it onto your cheeks or your eyes. And let's swatch the Silky Rose, which really kind of got my attention first, more than the Coral shade, just because. And this is the Silky Rose, and I think it is the perfect name for the shade. So this is here. Very, very light. So if you have a super pale and light skin or fair, it's gonna look beautiful on you, but look at how buildable it is. And all of a sudden you've got something a little bit more punchy, bold. It is still a soft pink, but if you have a medium skin tone, you can actually pull this one off. And again, no sparkles, no big chunk of glitters or color, and just a beautiful luminous matte finish. And I'm such a big fan of Gucci Beauty. I think this whole line, the whole collection of Éternité de Beauté, it is just a sensational line at Gucci. It's so elegant, it's so feminine. It's not necessarily the most bold or extravagant, but I think if you want something that you know is going to deliver, is always good looking, it's very sophisticated, this is exactly what you get. And I don't see why it wouldn't work for you. So I'm going to layer the blush onto my face. Even though I already have my makeup, I'm gonna add it over and show you how beautiful the blushes are. I'm gonna start with the Silky Rose, which is my favorite shade. Look at this, look at how beautiful the shade is and how nice it applies on the skin. It literally just glides. Oh, if this is not perfection, honestly guys, I don't know what else you need. This is perfect for touch up on the go. It's so easy. You literally don't even need a mirror, or you just use the mirror here at the top. Like, and it's blurring, it's soft, it's kind of soft focus. And if you were to add some more, you're gonna build up the shade. As simple as this. It is gorgeous. And let's try the coral shade on the other side and look crazy for a few seconds. It is really nice. It is actually really, really nice. I really like these. Oh, I like the coral because it's not like all the way up there. It's a very soft shade. Obviously made if you have a little bit more of a warm skin tone, more of a cool tone, more of a warm tone. But they are so nice. I can't believe how nice and beautiful and soft and buildable. It's literally, they are wow, wow, wow. I really love Gucci Beauty. I think it's a beautiful line of makeup, and this is a foolproof product. You don't have to know much about makeup. These will deliver. They're easy to use, easy to apply, and it's just gonna give you a very beautiful, elegant look. They also have a very soft floral smell into it. It's a very, very delicate floral smell, but I have to mention that there is a little bit of a perfume in the product. Nothing overpowering, but there is still a little something. But once you apply it on your face, it doesn't actually smell. It kind of goes away really, really quick. So I've touched up a little bit the cheeks. I've added a little bit of both shades on both sides to kind of make it somewhat equal and even. Honestly, guys, I know we all have so many blushes, but if you're looking to add something feminine, practical, easy to use, long lasting, hydrating, especially if you have a bit of a dry skin, and equally if you have an oily skin, they work for everyone. I think the makeup now, the technology has gone so far when it comes down to blushes like these, because they're packed with great ingredients for your skin: hyaluronic acid, a little bit of oil, a little bit of wax, just to be sure that it really grips onto your skin, stays super long. So it's a super long lasting blush. You can layer it. It is a beautiful new product. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Are you excited by these, or is it a hard pass for you? They make me think a little bit of the YSL Make Me Blush, to be honest, or the Dolce & Gabbana Eyes to Cheek blush that launched last year. As usual, I will be listing down below what I am wearing as makeup product for today. It's quite a monochromatic neutral makeup. The lipsticks are Dior. I've layered 2 lipsticks, and the rest of the makeup, I have Makeup by Mario. I have a few products, so I'll make sure everything is listed down below. I will add the link for these 2 products as well. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. A big thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.